Look up. The night sky, a sprawling ocean of stars, each one a distant sun, each one potentially home to worlds far beyond our wildest imagination. The universe, in its vastness, humbles us. For centuries, we've gazed at the stars with longing, with wonder, and with a question that has lingered in the back of our minds since the dawn of human consciousness. Are we alone? But what if the answer is not one that awaits us in the future, but has already been given? What if extraterrestrial beings have visited us long before we ever thought to look for them? What if, perhaps, they're already here, in ways we simply don't yet understand? Could we have missed the signs, overlooked them, or simply dismissed them as something ordinary? Imagine, for a moment, if the answers we seek, the confirmation of life beyond Earth, have been waiting for us all along, hidden in the mysteries of the past and scattered in the unexplained phenomena of our modern world. Could it be that extraterrestrials have quietly observed us, interacting with our planet and guiding our development without us even realizing it? What would that mean for humanity? As far back as ancient civilizations, we find strange symbols, stories, and artifacts that seem to speak of visitors from the stars. The Egyptians, with their pyramids and hieroglyphs, the Sumerians, with their ziggurats and depictions of beings descending from the heavens, and the Mayans, with their precise astronomical alignments. Each culture, in its own way, told of beings from the skies, of gods who bestowed knowledge and wisdom upon them. Is it possible that these ancient accounts were more than just mythology or religious allegory? Could they be records of extraterrestrial contact? Evidence that our ancestors were not only aware of life beyond our planet, but may have interacted with it? Take, for example, the mysterious artifacts that ancient cultures left behind, tools, structures, and knowledge that seem out of place in their time. The Great Pyramids, built with precision that seems to defy the technology available to the Egyptians. The Nazca Lines, gigantic etchings in the earth visible only from the sky. Was this all the work of human hands alone? Or was there guidance from advanced beings who understood the universe on a scale far beyond our comprehension? And in the present day, we continue to see unexplained phenomena, UFO sightings, strange radar readings, and inexplicable flashes of light in the sky. These events, witnessed by thousands of ordinary people around the world, beg the question, what are we seeing? Could these be genuine extraterrestrial visitors, still present, still watching, still engaging in ways we have yet to fully understand? But what if, rather than a spectacular, sudden arrival, extraterrestrials are already among us, observing from afar, existing in ways that we cannot yet comprehend? What if their presence is so subtle, so deeply embedded within our world, that we have failed to recognize them? Imagine, for a moment, that these visitors are not interested in grand displays or open interventions. Instead, they might be watching us, learning from us, waiting for the right time to make themselves known. Or perhaps they already have, just in a way that we have yet to fully grasp. Maybe they've already shared knowledge with us, subtly influencing the course of human history through technological advancements, or even directly shaping key moments in our development. What if the leaps in our technological progress, the sudden appearance of new ideas and innovations, were not just the result of human ingenuity, but also the passing of a torch from beings who have long understood the secrets of the universe? Could the explosion of the space race, the development of nuclear power, or even the creation of the internet have been nudged by extraterrestrial intelligence, guiding us toward greater knowledge? And if they are here, in ways we cannot yet fully see, could we be unknowingly sharing our world with these beings, hidden in plain sight? They might be walking among us, interacting with our world, while we remain blissfully unaware of their true nature. Look at the world around us. In just a few short centuries, we've gone from primitive stone tools to space exploration. We've moved from horse-drawn carriages to self-driving cars. We've gone from letters to instantaneous communication across the globe. Our technological evolution has been nothing short of extraordinary. But where did all this knowledge come from? How did we go from the industrial age to the digital age at such a staggering rate? Some might argue that human ingenuity alone is responsible for this rapid rise, that the rise of technology is a natural outcome of human evolution. But could there be more to it? Could extraterrestrial beings, with their advanced knowledge of the universe, have shared their wisdom with us, providing the tools and insight we needed to leap into the future? What if the atomic bomb, the development of quantum computers, or even the understanding of DNA were not entirely born of human discovery, but of extraterrestrial influence, hidden in the codes of the universe, waiting for us to unlock them? And what if the advancements that appear in short, unexpected bursts, those moments of brilliant insight, of sudden technological leaps, are not random, but the result of a subtle, deliberate transfer of knowledge from beings who have long since mastered the stars? Could it be that the technological marvels of the modern world are the legacy of extraterrestrial visitors who arrived long before we even thought to look for them? If extraterrestrials have already visited, and perhaps still walk among us, how would we, as a species, react? What would it mean for humanity, for our sense of self, and our place in the cosmos? How would the revelation that we are not alone in the universe reshape our understanding of life, meaning, and purpose? For millennia, humanity has believed itself to be the crown jewel of existence, the sole intelligent species in an infinite cosmos. But what if we are not the only ones? What if we are part of something much larger, a cosmic community that stretches across light years, filled with beings who have seen the rise and fall of civilizations long before ours, and will watch the future unfold long after we're gone? The discovery that we are not alone could unite humanity, urging us to transcend our petty divisions, to come together in the face of something greater than ourselves. It could spark a renaissance in human thought, a new era of cooperation, exploration, and understanding. Or, perhaps, it could instill fear, the fear that we are not as important as we once thought, that we are not the center of the universe, and that other beings might have their own agendas. Could this knowledge lead us to a new spiritual awakening, a recognition that life exists beyond our planet, that the universe is far more interconnected than we ever imagined? Or would it cause us to question everything, even our belief in a higher power, in the meaning of existence itself? But why haven't they revealed themselves then? If extraterrestrials have visited Earth, why not make their presence known to the world? Why remain hidden, shrouded in secrecy? Is it because they fear our reaction, that we might not be ready to accept them, or that we might react with hostility, with violence, or with fear? Or do they follow a cosmic code, a set of rules that dictates they must allow us to discover the truth on our own, without interference? Perhaps they abide by a version of the Prime Directive, a principle that forbids interference with less advanced civilizations, ensuring that their presence doesn't alter the natural course of our development. Or maybe they are simply waiting for us to evolve, to reach a level of understanding, of awareness, where we can meet them as equals, not as conquerors or invaders. And if they are waiting, what are they waiting for? Perhaps they want to see if we can overcome our own flaws, our violence, our greed, our inability to unite as a species. Perhaps they are waiting for us to show that we are ready to join the cosmic community, to step out from the shadows of our past and into the light of a larger, more enlightened future. The truth is out there, perhaps just beyond our reach, just beyond our understanding. Whether extraterrestrials have visited Earth already, whether they are here now, or whether they are still waiting for the right moment to make themselves known, the possibilities are endless. And perhaps, the most profound question is not whether they have visited, but what will happen when we are ready to accept them. When humanity steps out of the shadows and looks toward the stars not with fear, but with awe, with curiosity, and with the knowledge that we are part of something bigger. Because in the end, we are all just travelers in the vast expanse of time and space. And perhaps, one day, we will find that we are not as alone as we once believed, that the universe, with all its mysteries, is waiting for us to take our place among the stars.